the if condition doesn't work, right? And that's what we want to really address here. So if I run this code, there are certain scenarios where this condition will be broken. Let's actually take a look at it and try, say we made x equals 8. What if we made x equals 8 and we print this statement? What do we expect, right? Let's give this a try. So if we set x equals 8, now you see what is printed on the screen. It says x is less than y. All right, x is less than y. Any person with grade school math will understand that this is not correct, right? Because x is 8, y is 8. So y is a computer program telling us that x is less than y. There is a problem, all right? And so when you have those situations where, or those edge cases where things are similar, or some other edge cases that might come up, you might want more additional checks within your code than just if else, right? You might want to check for multiple things to happen, right? So that scenario here would be, what if x is equals to y? We also need to handle that situation. So this is going to take us into the next concept within this module, which would be the idea of being able to handle else if condition.